Hello and welcome to Paythepoolman. Today we're going to walk through the customer service and customer repair reports found in Plus. First thing you'll do is click Reports, and we'll click first on Customer Service Report. This will take us over here to the report where we can initially see we can change our year if we'd like. We can search for a customer's name if we'd like. We can also refresh using this button here. We can see a list, or we can change back to the same format. We can also manipulate the data we're seeing. So maybe we don't want date included or don't want the customer included. Maybe we don't want to view. We can change these columns here by clicking on these options. We can also expand how many we see at a time. So maybe we want to see 25. Maybe we want to go back to 10. And we can scroll between any of these reports. So the great part here is that we have the date, we have the customer name with the address listed. We've got the serviceable, the time, the employee, and then we can also view that door hanger and even resend that door hanger here if we wanted to. So let's go back to this report, and we're going to click to our customer repair report now. Here on the customer repair report, it's going to be very similar. We have our search bar here at the top. We can refresh, look at our list, or back to the same view, and manipulate our columns. Here we have our date column, we have the status column, so has it been completed or not? Check mark is completed, red minus is going to be not. We can see the customer name and address, we can see the repair time, and then the technician and the view. We can also go ahead and add extra work, text completion notice, email a completion notice, or go to the customer's page from here. So we'll go back and we'll go back to this report. And from here, we can also see that we can scroll between amounts. So if we want to see like more than 10, we can. There are no more than a 10 view here, so that's why we don't have that option. But if you do have the option, it's going to look similar to the customer service report where you can scroll between and select a larger count on the main screen. If you have any questions about either of these reports, please let us know and we'd be happy to help. Okay, thank you.